Do you know what Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and JackMa have in common besides being very rich? They all practice the 5-hour rule. But you may wonder, what is the 5-hour rule? In this video, we'll explain what it is and how to put into practice. Welcome to the Taskade channel, your channel for a simpler and more productive life. The 5-hour rule was coined by Michael Simmons, Impact's founder. The concept is pretty simple. No matter how busy you are, you should dedicate at least 1 hour a day, 5 days a week, to learning and practicing. You might think this is something contemporary, but in fact, Benjamin Franklin was already using this technique in the 18th century. At the time, he was already dedicating at least 1 hour a day to expanding his knowledge. But despite being a simple technique, it can be quite difficult to put into practice. So, we have some tips to help you get started today. Start small. We know your day is very busy and the thought of setting aside 1 hour a day can be daunting, so start small. Start with 20 or 30 minutes a day and build up more time as your routine starts to change. Reflect from time to time. Taking time to reflect on your past actions is also a way to evolve. This will certainly help you to make better decisions in the future, and you will be more prepared for future situations, and also you will reach your goals more easily. Make experiments. Whenever it's possible, test and learn by doing. This will help you by showing what works and what doesn't. Have a system. One of the main tips here is to have a good system for organizing your learning. A simple system, easy to consult, and flexible. And we have the solution for you. Taskade structure allows you to organize your studies and knowledge in a logical and easy to consult way. The structure works as follows: workspace, folders, and projects. This makes organization a lot easier. After all, you can organize each subject in a different folder. Inside each folder, you can have projects, which can detail each topic and subject. And since the project structure is made in blocks, organizing your content is even easier and more fun. But let's see a practical example. We are studying productivity and therefore we created a folder for this topic. As you can see, there are several projects on the subject, each with a series of lessons learned. Let's see this article, which I found on the Taskade blog. Here, we separate the main lessons learned from the article so that the consultation is very easy. Also, as Taskade has 6 different types of views, it's very easy to see this knowledge from another perspective. For example, if you switch to the mind map view, the perspective changes completely. In the Taskade, it is very easy to make comments and great for taking notes and deepening your knowledge even more. You can also attach images and embed videos. Need to delve even deeper into a topic? Sign the task and put a deadline for it to appear on your task list. Highlight keywords easily with dozens of colors. Or turn them into tags to make your search easier. Quickly capturing information is also extremely important, so Taskade has several resources to help you. You can install our extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. You can use widget on Android and iOS devices, and also use Quick Add on our desktop apps. Don't wait any longer, start using Taskade today. Download links are in the video's description. We'll be back soon with a new video. Don't forget to subscribe for more news and tips, as well as like this video to encourage your channel to go further. Taskade, simplify your productivity.